The 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, speed control, steel wheels, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, paint protection film, front wheel independent suspension. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.